Alright, what I want to look at here is the range of a projectile in terms of the maximum height it reaches. So this is one of those situations where we're doing the projectile at 45 degrees. So this is a maximum range projectile in terms of its maximum height. So I'll just do a little drawing. Obviously does that. So we want to know what is its range going to be in terms of its height. Range being how far it goes. Now, based on our equations, we know, given that it's got a launch velocity of v, then using this equation here, Vf equals Vi plus At, we know that at maximum height its final velocity is going to be 0. This is just the vertical velocity being Vv equals V sine 45 degrees, Vh being V cos 45 degrees. We know from this that V sine 45 degrees will be equal to At, which in this case is Gt. So we can say T is equal to V sine 45 degrees over G. Right? So that's our T. But we've got another little formula which says that D is equal to Vi plus V over 2 times T. Now that's our formula for the range. Remembering, this was our time to end up getting to that maximum height. Alright, so the actual range we already knew from our previous problem. The range in a problem like this is going to be equal to V squared over G. So that's the normal range. What we're trying to work out now here is the height. So always got to keep those things in your head when you're doing these projectile problems. Which one are you working on, the horizontal or the vertical? So now we've got a time to maximum height. We just want the distance to maximum height. So I'll use an h instead of that d. H for height. So the height's going to be equal to Vi, which was V sine 45 degrees, and it's going to be multiplied by, because we've got the Vf again is going to be 0, it's going to be divided by 2 and multiplied by T, which we already said was V sine 45 degrees all over G. Now this is similar to the other one where we end up with V squared over 2G, and then we've got to do those sine of 45, sine of 45. Now that's 1 over square root of 2, 1 over square root of 2, which is 1 over 2. So we end up with another 2 here, which means we equal V squared over 4G. So that's telling us that the height is 1/4 the range. So the height is 1/4 the range. And we're done.